Alright, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a QR code in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva and open an existing design like a flyer or a business card or a poster. Or you can click in the top left corner to create a new design, and you can just select the type of design that you'd like to work on. So once you have your design open, look to the left-hand column of options and click on apps. So once you've clicked on apps, navigate to the apps search bar and type in QR code. So once you've typed that in, you'll see a long list of QR code apps that you can use to create your QR code. So we're just going to use a simple one called QR code. So we're going to click on it, and once you've clicked on it, it'll say add a URL, and we'll create a QR code for you to add your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So locate the URL field, click into it, and paste your URL. So we're just going to use the default URL for now, just to demonstrate. And below the URL field, there is a customize drop-down. Click on that, and this will allow you to customize the background color of your QR code. So let's say we want to make it blue. So we want to make the background blue, and below that you can also customize the foreground color. So let's try and make this white. All right, so once we have those two color settings optimized, there is a margin slider that you can use to adjust your QR code margin, but we'll just leave it as it is. And once you're done, you can click on generate code, and now you have your QR code. So presumably you would have a design open, and now you can just pop your QR code into any design that you're working on. And if you would like to change your QR code, you can come back here and click on update code, and all of these settings will be in the same place. So then you can just add a new URL and come back down to update code, click on update code, and that same QR code that you've added to your design will now be updated with a new URL. So you don't have to use this specific app. You can come back down to apps and try any of the other QR code apps in here, like dynamic QR codes as an example. And you come and open this, and it will more or less be the same process where you enter your URL. Here it's a more comprehensive setup where you can select a QR code template, you can add a logo, and once you're done, you can add it to your design. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.